Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question from geometry today, and what we need to do here, we need to find the ratio of three areas A, B and C. The ratio of areas of A, B and C. Okay. And what do we have in this figure? We have a large circle. This large circle radius is 3 meters. Okay, radius is 3 meters. And then we have a semicircle. This semicircle we have, yes, the radius of this large semicircle is 2 meters. And then we have one small semicircle, that is this one, green one. Okay, this small semicircle, the radius is 1 meter. So let's see how we can find the ratios of areas of A, B and C. So what can I do? First of all, please see that area of A is equals to area of C. Can you see that? Let me erase it and show you how A and C areas are carved out. If you look at the semicircle, look at this semicircle of the larger circle. Yes? Now, out of this large semicircle, if I remove this semicircle and I include the small semicircle, I will get the area of C. Similarly, if you look at the other part of the semicircle, yes, this part, let me change the color so that you understand. So if you look at this part of the semicircle, again the same thing is happening. If I remove this large semicircle, if I remove this large semicircle and include the small semicircle, I will get the area of C. Yes, the same thing. A and C are exactly same. Correct? So area of A and area of C is exactly same. Correct? Now, let's come to area of B. Let's come to area of B. Area of B. I'm dividing the area of B into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Let's see how part 1 is carved out. Look at this large semicircle. Look at this large semicircle. Yes. Now, out of this large semicircle, if I remove this small semicircle, I will get the area of part 1. If I remove this green area from the large semicircle, I will get area of part 1. If you look carefully, part 2 is exactly made in the same way. Large semicircle, and if we remove the small semicircle, we will get the area of part 1. Yes, that means area of B is nothing but double of part 1 or double of part 2. Correct? So it is better to find the area of part 1 or part 2 rather than finding the area of B as a total. Okay, so let's find area of part 1. Now, how we can find the area of part 1? Please see. As I told you, we have this large semicircle. Yes. From this, if we remove this semicircle, small semicircle, we will get area of part 1. Yes. So what is area of large semicircle? Pi r square. What is radius of large semicircle? 2 pi r square. This is area of circle, but here we have semicircle, so divided by 2, minus area of small semicircle, radius is 1 upon 2. That means we have 4 pi by 2 minus pi by 2, which will give us 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by, but this is not the area of B. This is area of part 1. This is area of part 1. Okay. Now, how we can find the area of B? We can double the area of part 1. Yes, because part 1 and part 2 are exactly same. Combination of part 1 and part 2 gives us area of B. So area of part 1, double of area of part 1, which will give us 2 times 3 pi by 2, which will give us 3 pi. Okay. So what is this 3 pi? This 3 pi is area of B. Yes. Area of B. Correct. Now, let's find out the remaining area. Remaining area. Okay. Let me write this down. Remaining area. remaining area. What is remaining area, by the way? If I remove area of B, remaining area is nothing but area of A and C together. Yes? Yes? How we can find this? We can, find the area of the largest circle that is given to us. That is pi r square. Radius of the circle is 3 minus area of B. Area of B, what is area of B? We just found out. That is 3 pi. Correct? So 9 pi minus 3 pi. Correct? So this will give me what? This will give me 6 pi. Yes? This will give me 6 pi. That means area of A and C together is 6 pi. Correct? As I told you, area of A and C is equal to each other. We just discussed it in the beginning. If area of A and C is equal, that means 6 pi will be divided into two equal parts, which will give us 3 pi. So area of A and C is 3 pi. Correct? Now let's find out the ratio of A is to B is to C. So what is the area of A? 3 pi. What is the area of B? 3 pi. What is the area of C? 3 pi. Yes? So what is the ratio of A, B and C? That is 1 is to 1 is to 1. So this is our final answer. The ratio of A, B and C together is 1 is to 1 is to 1. I hope you enjoyed this question. Yes? If you understood it well, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Yes? Thank you.